After buying this vehicle second-hand, I noticed that the exhaust had quite a lot of surface rust. I found a cheap second-hand muffler that looked like new, so I decided to buy this. Here you can see a comparison of the old and the new exhaust. The exhaust for the 4-wheel drive Alto Turbo RS and also Alto Works has 3 hangers. This is the hanger at the most rear side. This is the hanger closest to the middle of the car. And here you can also see the connection between the muffler and the mid-pipe. And then finally here is the 3rd hanger. I wanted to try also to do wrapping by myself. So I started off with the most easy part, the bonnet. First cleaning it and laying out the film. And afterwards, as seen on many DIY videos, putting on the film and then slowly wiping out all the air bubbles. Here's the result. Looks good, eh? Well, actually not so much. If you look closer, there is a lot of creases and bubbles remaining. So it's a major failure. But it is a good opportunity to see how it would look if the hood would be a red color. Coming then to the costs. For the new muffler I paid 4,500 yen. And for the plastic film I paid 3,500 yen, which totals an additional 8,000 yen to the total spendings. As final part of this video, a short clip of a drive on the Hakone Skyline.